1. In this video, we will discuss valuable tips and strategies to help you study effectively and efficiently. Whether you are a student preparing for exams or someone looking to improve their study habits, these tips will provide you with the guidance you need to succeed academically. Stay tuned to learn how to make the most out of your study sessions. #Study tips, #effective studying, #academic success. 2. Looking for ways to enhance your study routine? This video is packed with practical advice on how to study effectively. From time management techniques to proven study methods, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the best strategies to help you maximize your learning potential and achieve your academic goals. #Study habits, #exam preparation, #study smart. 3. If you're struggling to stay focused while studying, this video is for you. We will share expert tips on how to study effectively and stay motivated throughout your academic journey. Whether you are a high school student or a working professional, these tips will help you develop a successful study routine. Watch now to unlock the secrets to effective studying. #Study skills, #productive studying, #learning tips.